me, they said I gotta come off the bench.
27 hearts beat.
Welcome back to another one. As you saw, we had to buy a new battery. No choice. But anyway, let's get to it. Today we're gonna be installing something pretty cool in my car. In a way, this is a waste of money because you can do this yourself for a lot cheaper, but I don't know how to sew. And if you're anything like me, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. This is a all Bride, all black e-brake boot. Then we've got the shift boot, also all black Bride. This for the panel, like the fake carbon fiber piece, we're gonna put this over it. That's what this is. And it comes for the middle piece, which is going to be the radio, e-brake, shift boot, and the fake carbon fiber piece. I think it goes, yeah, this way. So I got this on Etsy. I know, Etsy. Top stitch trim. I'll link it down there. Get to it. All right, guys, so we made it out. The day cleared up a little bit. I do need to go pick up some adhesive. We're gonna go to Lowe's or Home Depot or one of them. I was stranded for like, 2 or 3 hours waiting on AAA. They, jumped my battery, and I went to AutoZone and I picked one up. Wow, that started out way better than it usually does. His ass parked. Look at this dog. Alright guys, so we have purchased the adhesive. Now we're on the way back, and we're gonna go ahead and get everything installed, and I'll walk you through the whole thing. Alright guys, so I've already taken out the e-brake boot. Super easy, you just pull it from down here and yank it up. Now let's do this. We've got it out. We need this. There we are. And by the way guys, these are super easy to pull out. You just pull it from here, like from the bottom in the middle. It's about the best spot, and then just push up and then pull out. Super easy. Don't worry about breaking them, we won't. We've got everything we need. We're gonna go ahead and start with the easiest part, which is this right here. And then we're gonna do this, which is the second easiest part and the hardest part, because this will take a little bit of time. We have to cut some parts in the corners to make sure it flows well in those corners there. So we're gonna leave that for last. This is what it looks like. It looks really, really good, actually. I like it. It's real nice and stealthy. On to the next part.
27 hearts beat.
Alright guys, so this part's actually a really big pain. Like look at this mess of glue I got there. I gotta clean that up. I'll let it dry. So I glued this part first just to align it, and now I'm just gonna glue the sides like this.
A few moments later.
Finally, took me a very long time, but it is now drying right here. I sanded down the excess glue a little bit on this one. I'm gonna do the same over here. This one was hard. This one was like, this is probably the hardest one out of all of them, but it goes this way actually. Yeah, real nice. Real nice. Now, I need to get this replaced right here, but so far, very nice. I like the way the red complements this black right here and the carbon fiber. Oh, I love it. Very nice. And There we go, guys. I had to come to the passenger seat, but it looks amazing.